tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me there. And let's do tonight again. Good morning, today we're here at Universal Studios for another fun-packed day in the sun. Come join me. There's an ATM and guest services there, so if you need any assistance or you need some money out, it's straight to your right as you come in. And that's also where you get EVs from as well. It's been really cold, especially on an evening here in Florida at the moment with these storms that are passing through. But it's lovely this morning. It's about 18 degrees. I'm gonna pop into the Today Cafe and get some breakfast. Let's quick look in the Today Cafe. Sandwiches look really nice and fresh. Salad bowls. 30 Rock Midtown looks nice. Got all the pastries. Cinnamon sugar cruffin. Look at them. Cafe con leche cinnamon rolls. Wowzers. Cookies are huge. Cakes. Pastries. All looks delicious. Get seating looking out to the park. This is our con leche cinnamon roll. They ask you if you want it warmed up or not. We obviously got it warmed up. Even more delicious. Ooh, look at that ooey gooey goodness. Yum yum. And then we've got the 30 Rock Midtowner BLT. That also looks very delicious. And we got it with a side of fruit. Get it with fruit or potatoes. Okay, all done for breakfast. Let's go. So now we're done with breakfast. I think we're going to head down to the Jason Bourne because we tried doing this the other day and we got to the pre-show and then something happened with it, something technical, and there wasn't running it. So we're going to go there now and see what the time is for it. Scooby and the gang are out doing meet and greets. Mystery Time Machine.
We rushed over here and did I get it?
Oh, we've got Betty Boop. Just doing meet and greets. We've got the lion out from Madagascar as well. There's loads of characters out today. Got the Simpsons out. It's the whole family today, apart from Marge and the baby.
And then there's Beetlejuice.
Got Beetlejuice. Don't say his name 3 times. It's only about 5 minutes, so we're gonna head in and hopefully we'll get to see the show today. The Bourne Stuntacular. We'll see that Minnie in a minute that was in that movie. There's the bike. And then here's the car. This is the pre-show room. It's absolutely massive.
Cool stuff.
Not allowed to record. Mission complete.
No, strike that. I need your help.
I love that show so much. I cannot tell you how good it was. The way that they did the scenes and the set changes and the immersiveness of it. And the immersiveness of it was just incredible. It was so clever how they made it feel like you was a part of it and sort of moving around with a rolling scene. Cars would just appear from anywhere. There'd be things going all off around you. There was fire, there was gunshots, there was fighting, there was bikes, there was cars, there was helicopters, there was all sorts going off. If you're here at Universal Studios, I highly recommend that you make time to go and see the show because it was absolutely amazing. I was blown away. I wasn't sure what to expect because I've never actually seen this one before, but I wasn't expecting it to be as amazing as it was. Okay, so I think we'll have a little wander around and see what the wait time's like for the rides and see if we can jump on a ride. There's Doc Luck just wandering around studios, meeting and greeting.
Hello.
It was passing the Animal Actors show and it was literally about to start, so we jumped in to watch it because it's a brilliant show.
Attention all animal actors, this is your stage manager speaking. We need a cleanup on the animal actor stage. All fours on deck, please. All fours on deck. Thank you.
Get on your mark. You got off of it. Where is it? Stay. Good. That is interesting. We can just do some basics. Stay. Sit. Good. Speak. Sit up. Nice. Lie down. Stay. Good. On your feet. Stay. See? Back up. Good. Very good. Here. Stay. Back up. Stay. Back up. Quietly. Good. Find your mark. Sit. Leave it. Sit. Sit up. There we go. Those are some basics. Whee!
Whoa, that was really high.
Well, let's all take a look at Frank here doing his thing. And Men in Black 2.
It's really fast, that one.
Here's it, Frank can talk just like you and I. How we do that is putting all the necessary equipment. Then a computer animator comes in, fills in the details, and they get a scene like this one.
Now introduce the partner. Who you might call Got kids? No. One.
Now it's not a trick. He's going to go over there as fast as he can and get that first item. He's got it. Good boy, Bernie. Very nice. Hold it out. Okay. We got a hat. Did you ask him for a hat? Yes, we got the first one. Right. Great job, you guys. Okay, we are going to go 2 for 2. Bernie, get that second item. You ready? Back to the basket, Bernie. Get that. Bernie! Bernie! I'm sorry, it's a little bit confused. You will get them back. You guys burning for this? I am so sorry. Oh, is this yours? Edgar! Oh, let's remember it's Edgar Duck! Edgar Duck! Edgar! Duck! Here he goes! Don't touch that!
Whoa.
You guys, we got all of that under control. And that's our show!
That was another little look at the Animal Actors show. I absolutely love that show. It's so much fun. Anything with animals in is going to have my vote. But check out that view from up here. So from the top of the stairs at the Animal Actors show, you can get a really good view of Diagon Alley. You can see the dragon. Lad donuts, that's where you get your giant pink donuts from. Or your Duff beer. Got your Quickie Mart, which is your merch store, so you can get all your Simpsons merch in there. Got your Alien Swelling sauces.
Welcome participants to this pleasurable ride. Come aboard for winter travels and your suspicions and experience.
Then you've got all your fun fair stalls where you can win plushes.
This is the Simpsons ride. It's a 3D simulator ride, so your vehicle moves to 3D scenes. It is quite fun, but it's quite fast paced.
We've got the night bus. And Grimald Place. Hi, how are you?
I'm alright, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad. It's a lot warmer today, so we're all good. Yeah, a lot warmer than the UK.
Here's Marilyn. McCartney turned into an icicle up here.
Yeah, I did yesterday as well.
You did yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't go outside yesterday.
Oh, no, no.
The bus was unattended.
If you look at the houses here, you'll see that there's a section, there's one house that's a different colour to the rest. And if you're familiar with Harry Potter, you'll recognise this as 12 Grimmauld Place, the ancestral home of Sirius Black. You'll also know that it has a very grumpy house elf that lives there called Creature. You knock on the door, sometimes you'll see Creature. Look, can you see him? There he is.
The sun's starting to go down a little bit now, so it's getting a bit chillier. I think the hoodie will be coming out soon. Never gets old coming in here. Amazes me every time. It's very busy in here. I think this is the busiest part so far. Got Hermione's ball dress up there.
Now let's pop into Florian Fortescue's for some ice cream.
Hello. There's quite a lot of different flavours. And Harry's favourite up there, the chocolate strawberry peanut butter sundae. Butterbeer ice cream. Get soft serve, hard pack. Get in a pot in a cone. Get it as a sundae.
These are all the different ice creams. And get a few unusual flavours, like there's a Earl Grey and lavender one, which sounds interesting. But I think I'm going to try the huckleberry because I've never had that one before.
If you want a souvenir glass there, what they're coming up there, the sundaes. And there's all your toppings. And you can also get gilly water as well. We've got our ice cream. We decided not to get it in a cone today, but in a tub. It is a little bit cheaper, and we've got two flavours of ice cream. So we've got sticky toffee pudding and huckleberry. $8.
James, stop moving.
I've never had the huckleberry before. It's absolutely delicious. It's so fruity.
Water on that station. You gotta walk up and down the road. Don't stand for the
Sticky toffee pudding. Actually, if you close your eyes, you would actually think that you was eating a sticky toffee pudding. It tastes exactly like it. And it's got crunchy bits and too, like bits of cake. So good. You can feel that cold air coming back in now. So the hoodie's out. Hot butter beer's out.
Signing off. Until next time, lovelies.
What's this little purple one nestled away? What is it?
One's by Grigorovich.
What's that?
Little one shop. fresh jelly deals per portion.
And a pie and stuff.
Oh look, stew deal pie. That's not for me. Give a little look in the leaky cauldron. These little restaurants are quite well themed. I'll pop some pans in the window. You can get butterbeer in here as well. Yeah, it has been a while since we've been in here. Looks like it goes up to different levels, look. It's really clever how they do it. You've got all your staircases and your shelves. You've got all your pictures on the wall. Little menu. Look at that big cauldron.
Yeah, that's the leaky cauldron. You've seen yesterday's specials.
Oh yeah. Specials board. Fried partridge eggs with crispy back wings, newt sausages as always. Family spirits are available. So menu's got the sandwiches on there. Kids meals, desserts. Butterbeer potted cream. Never tried that before. It'd be nice. Wines, fire whiskey. Otter's fizzy orange, fizzy green ale, peach tree fizzing tea, gilly water, tongue time lemon squash, pumpkin juice, and of course your butterbeers. Services. Night bus request DIY. Please don't ask any member of staff. We don't have any owls. Got your Quidditch supplies. Got amazing pictures, so they take your face and they put it into posters like that one there, so you can get your faces put in there and made into a poster. They've got all different ones, so that's fun. It's the Fast and the Furious ride, which in my opinion isn't very good. I don't really like that one very much. Oh look, I've joined a dinosaur. Sometimes the cast members will draw little things on the floors, and it can be, they do it at Disney as well, they do Disney characters, and they do it here sometimes, and just in a little dinosaur. This is where you'll get them playing music. And the Transformers ride, you can see just at the back there, that's one massive building. It looks like they're shutting it off for some sort of event, maybe that path soon though. Haagen-Dazs stall. Palace Arcade. Just a really nice chill atmosphere in here. Some nice chill music. It's not that busy at the moment. Got your little pretzel shop there. Do stuffed pretzels as well. And then we're just coming up to the mummy ride. We sometimes have mummies that walk around on stilts, but I haven't seen them for a while, so...
The ride's closed.
So unfortunately, this is what was going to ride, but it's closed for maintenance, and I just asked and it's closed until Tuesday, so we'll maybe come back if we're around we may be doing other things by then, so we'll see how it pans out. So that's a shame, but you know, it's the way it goes with theme parks, you just never know. And this down here is where the Rip Ride rocket used to be. And you can see it's all cordoned off now. And it's going to make way for a new Fast and Furious ride. So I was hoping it was going to be like something like more like Ghostbusters theme, because this is the old firehouse. But no, it's going to be a Fast and Furious roller coaster. So it's going to be one where the cars spin on the track. So if you've been on the Wolf ride in Monsters Land in Epic Universe, it's going to be sort of that same system, but instead of the cars like that, it's going to be an actual car. But doesn't that look different without the Rip Ride rocket there? So coming soon in 2027. You just see the big crane there. If you have a service dog with you, there's like little toilet break areas, and this is one of them. So it's just right next to where the Rip Ride rocket used to be. It's funny to think that the roller coaster used to come right through there. You wouldn't think so looking at it now, would you? It's just an empty gap. We've got the Jimmy Fallon ride here. So you race through New York. It's like you sit in seats and the seats move and you're racing through New York. Pop banana. I imagine that's banana popcorn. What's this? Genko Imports. Let's have a look in here. Oh, what's these?
Taparoo. Name that movie.
Happy Gilmore. $40. Or you can get hats, look, as well. Hats are $30. Such a funny film.
Proton pack.
Yeah. Ghostbusters Proton Pack. That's cool. I've got a suit as well. Oh, Slimer. 37. And this one's 30. Oh look, this bag, look. 60. That's fun. There's a little booty butt. Love that. More Ghostbusters. What's this? Oh, it's the car, look. Get a Slimer. Back to the Future. Awesome. These are 33. This one is 30. Flux capacitor cushion. It's cool. $40. You can get phone cases, look. 42. Oh, it's got the car on the back. Here's 85. Or we can get a model. Try me. Ooh, lights up. Look at them trousers. They're cool. How much are these? I might want a pair.
Yes, I do.
It's a 65 for those, but they're quite cool. And then you can get the jacket to match. And the jacket is 100. Oh look, a little hoverboard purse. $30. Okay, we're at Transformers. Let's see what the wait time is for this. It's 35 minutes.
Please ask the nearest nest personnel. Thank you, and good luck, recruits. Who are the Autobots and how does Nest go about this mission? That's what this recruit orientation is all about. Everything you see here today must remain absolutely confidential because, as you will soon understand, it will now continue your orientation. Greetings, recruits. I am Master This is Decepticon Defensive Tactics Training. I am Ironhide, Autobot Weapons and Combat Specialist. Don't give me any lip, and we just might get along. Our objective today is to begin whipping you into elite Nest combatants. This will not be easy because, and with all due respect, your human species is small.
Recruits, welcome to the Nest facility. If you would like to reduce your training time, try our single rider line access.
I'll cut right to the chase. Our energon detectors indicate Decepticons are swarming the city. This is a coordinated strike. We are facing a heavy, sustained attack. They appear to be after the Allspark, correctly? General Morshower! General Morshower! Is that you, Stalwart? Well, I'm sure it was for your own sake.
Right. Listen, General, who is Nest top operative for asset evacuation?
That would be Autobot evac, correct?
You need to scramble evac immediately, General, to evac the
Now
Allspark.
hold on there, Stalwart. You are out of line. My orders are to protect the Allspark at its secure and fortified location here at Nest.
With all due respect, you call this secure and fortified?
Relinquish what remains of the Allspark, or suffer the wrath of Megatron. The Autobots cannot protect you. They were defeated on our world, and we will defeat them here.
Snark and Megatron. Love is such a humor.
All he wants is that Allspark, so we can turn every gizmo and gadget on Earth into a lethal Decepticon hospital.
Hey, don't be so hard on the guy. No one else is here. We gotta make friends.
Hey, we got company. Multiple energy on the detector's trigger.
Press the big red button though.
Recruits, I am Optimus Prime. I know we are asking much of you this day, but the Decepticons leave us no choice. Evac believes you can help him protect the Allspark. I believe you can too. So the fate of the Earth is in your hands. Take the Allspark to safety. Optimus out.
That's it. Your mission go. So you can either thank or blame me later, but right now I need you to listen to the lady with the robotic voice.
Evac can deploy 12 units in 3 rows of 4. When you are authorized, enter a row and move to the furthest available seat.
Optimus Prime. My Autobots are taking up all stations in Nest and the surrounding area. We'll provide you with all the cover we can. But the future of both our species will be decided by what happens with you. Protect the Allspark. Protect each other. Prime out.
ride on Transformers. It is fun, but I think the front row is where you've got to be for that ride because it's very, very, very fast paced. It's hard to keep track of what's going on, especially like if you're towards the back and you've got other people's heads in the way and you can't really see what's going on. You really need to be in the front to see everything. It is super, super fast, which makes some of it a little bit blurry and hard to take in, but fun ride, worth doing. I think now we're going to go and see the Cinesational show because we've never seen this before. It's taken over from the one that was here before, so this is the brand new one, so we're going to go and see if we can find a seat and go watch that.
Beautiful and powerful soundscapes that help bring to life fantastic stories. Cinematic music speaks directly to the heart, taking us into inspiring adventures. And tonight, those very melodies call upon us to follow a celestial spectacle, and you never quite know just where that story may lead. So let the music guide our path and take us on a journey that can only be described as Cinesational.
see your true colors. That's why I love you like a rainbow. Oh, I got this feeling inside my bones. I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. First we get problems are evaporating. Baby, I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, not the end of time. We could do tonight again. Even in another lifetime. Find me there. And let's do tonight again. Rewind until
systems critical. Deploying expert technical crew. Lighting re-energizing. Control systems go. Flamethrowers engaged. H2O systems rehydrating. Show reboot complete.
Hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me there. And let's do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then.
With my star, we're gonna rule. Mario, Luigi, and a Donkey Kong too. 1,000 troops of Koopas couldn't keep me from you.
Just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song.
Uh-oh.
It's incredible how a few simple notes, strung together in just the right key and tempo, can inspire the imagination, taking us back in time, leaving us wanting more.
new show is amazing. They've got fireworks, they've got drones, they've got projections, water, there's splash zones. So if you sit right at the front, there's certain places that you can sit and you get wet. It's so much fun, and I'm so glad that we didn't miss it. I tell you what, Universal are pulling these shows, parks and rides out the bag. They're doing some really, really amazing stuff. It's a really fun show, and I think more shows need to involve drones, because drones do some amazing things. Fireworks are pretty, but drones are amazing. They do some amazing things. So I think more people need to get on board with using drones in the show, and they're more environmentally friendly as well. It's fantastic. It had Back to the Future in there. It's got Ghostbusters in there. Such a fun show. That's it for our day here at Universal Studios. We've had as much fun as I have, but we're going to head home now. It's absolutely freezing, but we've had some food, we did some rides, went to see the show, which was amazing. There's lots more things coming up on the channel, so stay tuned. But for now, have a magical day, or even whenever you're watching. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.